Alright guys, so that is the workout. Alright, done down at the park today on this beautiful grass patch. Look at that sunset in the background. Look at that for a shot. Isn't that beautiful? And we finished it off at the benches back there. You know what I'm saying, guys? So, you know, you guys can work out anywhere. You know what I mean? Wherever, whenever, you know what I mean? There's plenty of body weight exercises you can do. This guy's got to use your surroundings, you know what I mean? And get to it, as we do here on this channel. All right, so, yeah, that's that. Body's still nice and warm. All right, the heart rate definitely got up today, guys, especially with those sprints. Incorporate sprints, you know, into your workout. Just makes the rest of your workout, you know what I mean, a bit more harder, you know what I mean? Just because your heart rate's going more, you know, you're pushing yourself that little bit extra. But you know, that's how we do it. That is how we do it. Now it's an easy walk home because it's done. All right, but yeah, let's get to going. Hope you guys have all enjoyed your day, as I always do. You know what I mean? And you know, I hope you've had a successful day also. So we've had another successful day, all right, as we do. You know what I mean? Making the most of every day. That's what it's about. I'm laughing, guys, because I was like squizzing over the comments, I don't know, the other day, and someone said in there something about being a pro wrestler. It's like you got to look for a pro wrestler, you know what I mean? I haven't really replied to all those comments yet, but shout out to that guy who said that. I never really thought of doing pro wrestling before, but you know, made me laugh anyway. So shout outs to that guy, wherever he's at. And she's green, we're going. They're doing their thing, we're going. And there's the green man right there, guys, just as we get over. Got a magpie up there flying. And we are on the footpath. This one right here. Out of water, guys, but that's alright. Pretty sure I am anyway. I'm out of water. Hold on. We've got a drop left in there. And have a sip of that. A little bit thirsty. Enjoyed the last of that. Got some more birds up there. doing their thing. Alright. Little Swift over there. Little blue one. My sister used to have a Swift actually. Way back when. Nifty little cars, those things. What do we got up there? New Era Queensland tickets. Checking my look here, guys. With my coloured shorts, my cream Vans, one spot hat in my bag. Classic. And don't forget the Casio watch. Nice light watch. That's why I like it. You know what I mean? Doesn't feel like I'm wearing one. It's like my favourite watch I've ever had this thing. Analog and digital. And it weighs like pretty much nothing. So it's pretty handy. Which way are we gonna go? I think we're gonna chuck a right. Gonna go around today. Around this way. We've been going that way. So we're gonna head the other way on the way home today. See what's happening down here. As you guys can see, the sun is almost completely down. Still got a little bit of light left, you know. So we're just making the most of it. As I hope you guys have been too, making the most of your days, you know. Enjoying it, squeezing every bit out of it. Some birds whistling. Just saying. I can't copy their whistle, obviously. Something like that, if you guys can hear in the background. Dun, 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 dun. Lick it too. Like it too. Might go up to the house and do a bit of abs when I get up there. I mean, that bar that was down there that we're using to do pull-ups and the leg raises on is alright, but I could use a couple more, I reckon, so I might do that. Dog hanging his head out the window. Dogs just look so happy, don't they? We're in the car, just hanging out the window usually. I mean, you see dogs with their head fully out with their mouth wide open like, and their tongues hanging out, just enjoying themselves. Enjoying life. Let me show you this boy. See if you can catch him. See him? There he is. Hanging his head out the window. Real pug looking face. Alright. Just enjoying himself or herself. Not a care in the world, that dog. Just wants to go for a ride with his owner and have to feed. across here. At the very right time. Everyone's coming home now. And I reckon that is us. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Just a bit of greenery for you guys. A little bit of nature. You know what I'm saying? Got to get outside, guys. Get outside into nature as much as you can. You know what I'm saying? Breathing that fresh air. That is what we're designed to do. Designed to be out in nature, out in the sun. You know what I mean? So get outside, get walking. You know what I mean? And get exercise, as we do here on this channel. As you guys know. You know what I mean? Keep at it as much as you can. What we got over there? Another bird whistling by the sounds of things. Yep. Oh, I'm whistling right down there. Dun, 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 dun. These are the neighbours anyway, guys. Ariella apartment buildings. That is the local neighbour. Alright, and we are back home, back to the crib. Alright. Get up there, see what's happening next. See y'all soon.